Hi everybody, this is Dr. Kim from Jassal Chiropractic. So today I'm going to show you have Gina perform certain femoral exercises that you can actually do to help relieve any secondary symptoms that you may have from the muscle spasms or muscle tensions that are still remaining after chiropractic adjustments. So first off, I'm going to have Gina perform the lower back exercise that you can actually do with the foam roll. So I'll have you perform that. So starting from really lower back here, you just place the foam roll this way and you slowly roll along the lower back area, and you will notice different parts that have more tensions that are as you're rolling the foam rolls, and in those places you just have to hold that area for a little bit longer until that tension releases, and then move along the back and go back and forth along with it as until you actually feel everything relax. And then after, I'm going to have her perform mid upper back exercise as well. Same thing, just rolling from here to here. You can use the foam roll like this to start with. And then you can use your arms to support yourself and just go slowly along your whole mid upper back all the way up to the base of the neck to help relieve the muscle tensions. And as you're doing that, you're also helping your upper body to actually stretch out and open up the joint spaces. So you can do this for couple seconds at a time to actually hold on to the tensions, the area that you're feeling tension as well. And if you want to go really into between the shoulder blades, you can place the foam roll like this and then lay on to it where the shoulder blades are, between the spine and the shoulder blades, and you can just roll from side to side this way as well. And then you can just alternate from one side to the other.